people who stay in Bungoma County, in this region, we all know that people have been having a very big problem getting water. And the people who have been suffering most is women and children. They go to the rivers, stay there for hours and hours. When they come to their homes, they are tired. So we want you to thank the apostle and anybody else outside there where the team is struggling to fund Africa. I think we are very grateful.
We are very grateful. We are very grateful for this wonderful project and your support.
And we're here dedicating our first well in Kenya out of many. We're planning on every month paying a fee and just having wells built all over Kenya. This was our vision, and we said it would be done. And for those that didn't believe, we're now here. And we want to send them all throughout Kenya because we don't want people to have to walk so far to get water.
That we, from the Church of God, the Bible Way in Florida, we are committed to this cause here. And the beauty about this is you're here as the media team today. And since you're here today, you're going to see us next year where we're going to do another coverage.
Na ripoti hiyo niyo igukuro igitweka mwiki